Florida attorney L. Reed Bloodworth handles trustee defense for clients facing litigation against beneficiaries. As a managing partner of Bloodworth Law, Reed has seen most of the reasons trustees have legal disputes with beneficiaries. Reed explains that communication is imperative to maintaining strong relationships with beneficiaries. They want to know the status of the assets, like how much money is there, where's the money, how's it being kept, what's going on. A trustee is required to provide an annual trust accounting. Reed said that he believes that communication and updates may prevent many disputes with beneficiaries. "I think it's important for trustees to communicate much more often with the beneficiaries," Reed said. "You don't want to just say, 'Here's your annual trust accounting,' and leave it at that. I think that one way to avoid getting in trouble or avoiding legal issues or avoiding upsetting beneficiaries is to communicate with them often." Reed explains that one thing corporate trustees do is send a monthly asset report to beneficiaries. It's almost like a monthly accounting, and that's something that is very wise. It's proactive, and it's the type of communication and information Reed thinks beneficiaries really appreciate. But when you have an individual trustee, they may not be equipped to do that. It's something a large trust company can do. They can have all their portfolios set up, and it's easy for them to print and mail or email these monthly updates. An individual should be keeping all of their records in real time, but they may not be able to send them on a monthly update. But what they can do is this. Whenever there is a question by a beneficiary, they should answer it. Even though a trustee is only required to do an annual accounting, not a monthly accounting, because that can be expensive. Trustees hire an accountant who does trust accountings to prepare the annual trust account accounting. This can be the one annual accounting, but maybe include a semi-annual or quarterly update. Additional updates inform the beneficiaries to make them aware of what's happening, because that's when people start to worry, when they don't hear from their trustee, or when their trustee doesn't respond. I think that's probably the number one thing that can get a trustee into a legal situation is failure to communicate or poor communication. The beneficiary and trustee may resolve many questions or problems this way, but if a disagreement ensues, it may become a legal dispute. Attorney Reed Bloodworth is a 2022 U.S. News & World Report Best Lawyer in Trusts and Estates Litigation. If you're having trouble working things out with beneficiaries over a trust, talk with Reed about whether Bloodworth Law can help you or your family.